What if I told you that eating just 2 boiled eggs every day could be the simplest yet most effective change you make to your diet this year? These nutritional powerhouses are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support everything from brain health to muscle recovery. Let's crack open the truth about the mighty benefits of boiled eggs and how they can transform your wellness journey. First, let's talk about what makes boiled eggs so special. One boiled egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, providing all the essential amino acids needed to repair tissues and build muscle. They're also a great source of vitamin D, which supports bone health and immune function, as well as choline, which is crucial for brain health and memory. Additionally, eggs are packed with vitamin B12, biotin for healthy skin and hair, and selenium, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells. Now, how can eating 2 boiled eggs daily benefit your health? For starters, they provide sustained energy thanks to their high protein content, keeping your blood sugar stable throughout the day. This makes eggs a great choice for breakfast or a post-workout snack. Eggs also support heart health by increasing HDL, the good cholesterol, and can reduce the absorption of cholesterol in your intestines. Plus, they contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower blood triglyceride levels, further promoting heart health. For those looking to manage weight, eggs are a secret weapon. Their high protein content helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and helping you consume fewer calories throughout the day. They're also a great source of essential vitamins like vitamin D, which can boost mood and cognitive function. When incorporating eggs into your diet, they're incredibly versatile. Enjoy them for breakfast, as a pre-workout snack, or even in a salad or sandwich. Choose organic or free-range eggs for the best quality and taste. So next time you grab a dozen eggs, remember the incredible benefits they bring. Like and subscribe for more tips on improving your health and fitness.